welcome back to my channel once again. It's me, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Hope everyone is doing well here. And for today's menu of mine, I just wanted to share to you how I make my simple own version of cooking a mussels. Yeah. So I have here, I bought a half kilo of it with each, which is 3 pounds. And of course, I'll be using tomato, sliced onion, and a ginger as well. And for the seasons, I have here the salt and black pepper. And of course, for the last ingredients, I'll have I I will be using a spinach. Yes, as we all know, spinach is very healthy. Yeah, it is an excellent source of vitamin K and A, and of course manganese, folate, iron, vitamin B2, B6, calcium, and of course vitamin C. They said that it is a super food because of its high source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that protect from any range of diseases. Yeah, that's why uh, it is one of my best favorite vegetables here in Europe, the spinach. Yeah, because it is good for me. I mean, it is very rich in iron, folate, which is I really need because I am having a quite difficulty when it comes to my low blood. Yeah, so it is a good source of iron. Yeah, so as well as mussels, it is a good very good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which is very helpful for our healthy heart. Yeah, so it is also a good source of protein and promoting brain health. Yeah, so it is a fantastic source of protein as well. Yeah, so it is highly recommended that we need to consume this in our healthy diet. Okay, so as well as tomatoes, onion, and ginger, they are very healthy as well, and they are packed with nutrients. Yeah, which is of course needed with our for our healthy diet. Yes, so please stay tuned, and hope you will enjoy watching my simple own version on how I make my stir-fried mussels. Yeah, in just what is it, 4 ingredients. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please stay tuned once again, and see you in a bit. Hello guys, welcome back. It's me again. First thing I am doing is that I am cleaning, of course, the mussels. Yeah, because as you can see, mussels are not that clean. There is you need to take it off this one. Yeah, yes, just that. Yeah, as you see, so I am cleaning that one. Yeah, of course I am using a knife and cleaning like this. Yes, because I will not take off the shell, so it needs to be cleaned properly, you know. So in this part it takes takes time for that, because we need to clean, of course, properly. You see, it's already clean. Yeah? There you go. Yeah, so something like that. Yeah, we need to take off this stuff. Okay, and clean this one, that one, yeah. So, but anyway, though it takes time in this part, uh, it's worth it, yeah, to do this, because of course we need to eat a healthy and clean, needs to be cleaned properly, yeah. I guess if others are taking off the shell, but for me, um, I am not taking it off. I'm just leaving it like that. Yeah, so see, it's clean. Others are really clean already, but others needs to be clean like this. See, there we go. So I am cooking this if I am craving for this. And sometimes, not sometimes, but my second born also love these mussels. I guess she took it from me, because her dad is not eating this. Because it's not their, you know, proper food, not like us Filipinos, yeah. So I really love this because it is really a good source of omega-3, yeah, the fatty acids, and a high source of protein as well, which is very healthy and to our diet, yes. So others don't like eating this, you know, especially from here, European people, they don't know how to make it, yeah, because it's not their food. There you go. So please stay tuned, yeah. Okay, hi, welcome back again, guys. This time I am already going to add a cooking oil, yeah. Just a bit. Okay. And of course, first thing I am doing always is the onion first. Okay. Saute until it's light brown or crystal. If you don't like light brown, it's also okay, the crystal color, yeah. There you go. And then I'm adding already the ginger. I need to open my egg sauce pan. Okay. This is an easy and simple and very quick to prepare, yeah. See, just that stir fried, saute, something like that. And I'm already adding the tomato as well. Saute them first. smells already good, especially the ginger and the onion. I can smell it already. And then it's time for me to add the mussels. Yeah. There we go. And of course, I need to prepare it as well. Yeah. And I'm already putting a seasons black pepper, and then a bit salt. Yeah, and I'm adding a bit of water just to simmer for them to cook. Yeah. You know, you can, it's easy to know that the mussels are cooked already. It is because they are already open. Yeah, open. Okay. So there you go. You need to close it and boil it like 5 minutes. Okay. So please stay tuned once again and see you in a bit, guys. Hi, welcome back. So let's check now. Okay, I guess they are already all opened and ready. Yeah, but of course, before I will add this spinach for my last ingredient, I'll need to taste it first. Yeah. Okay. I need to add a bit this salt. And I like more black pepper. And I think I will add a bit of fish sauce. Yes? Okay. Just a drizzle. Yeah, something like that. And it's time for me to add my healthy spinach. Of course, before adding it, we need to clean it properly as well. Or I mean wash it. There you go. And just that. This is very easy and simple to prepare and very healthy. And just simmer it for a minute and it's done already. Yeah, so please stay tuned and I will show you in my bowl on how I set this kind of menu of mine. Okay, so please stay tuned and thank you. So guys, welcome back. This is already how it looks. It looks like my stir fried mussels. On top is that I garnish it with a bit fresh parsley. Yeah, chop it with a fresh parsley, or you can garnish it as well with chop spring onions. Yeah, you see, there you go. It looks very delicious and of course healthy. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed my simple way of cooking mussels. Yeah, others are just cooking it by they are just steaming it. Yeah, that's it. So Once again, guys, if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to like, um, share, comment, and subscribe as well. And please don't forget as well to click the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come, okay? So once again, thank you so much, guys, for watching from the bottom of my heart, and thank you for your support always. Yeah, so have a nice day, guys, and it's time for me to say bye for now.